hello. I want to welcome you guys to today's live stream, and I must tell you how delighted I am to be here today, the very first trading day for the month of September 2024. This is the second day in the month of September 2024, and also the very first trading day, which is a Monday. And today, definitely, as you all know, it is maybe once in a while, and that it is most common, let me put it that way, that the financial market do not always move in the way that we always expect them to move on Mondays. Most days are Mondays, or most Mondays, so to say, and you will not get enough volatility. The momentum you're supposed to get in price movement and the market, definitely you're not going to get it, and you will not also have plenty of volumes to make some decisions that you really need to make most Mondays, except rarely. And today we'll be looking into Euro AUD, which is the only one I have looked at today, and the only one that I have seen. And as you can see, the major trend has been on the downside, all right, for Euro AUD. The major trend has been on the downside. Now, if we are to go by this, we definitely should be looking for more sell opportunities in this regard, except that maybe price as have except price has encountered a point where you are only going to get levels, okay, like for instance this point where this level, let me just put it underneath so we can see what we are saying. Points like this is a support level, which is kind of like turning into zone. Now if this point remains intact, we will be looking for on a buy opportunity, okay, thereby thinking that, or hoping or analyzing that the movement has ended here, okay, or that movement has ended here, but this still remain intact. Also, this is another short, or a very short what's it called, short resistant level here. And also in the smaller time frame that I also watched, I saw this point also being a level that is trying one way or the other to threaten this 1 hour resistance level. So the analysis I make here is that provided this remains intact like this, okay, let me just leave it here. Provided this remains intact, this level is not broken, we still might be thinking of a continuation of price, okay, in USD. Now let me say to some of us who have also been in the game for a while, or those who are just especially those who are coming in new, that if you are looking to sharpen your trading skills, please, I think this is the point where you will hit that subscribe button, and you can get more insight from us daily, Mondays through Fridays. Okay, now we go back to our point, we go back to the analysis for today. So we have looked at the resistance level, okay, on the 1 hour chart, on the 1 hour chart, on the 1 hour time frame, okay, which is where we are. And we have identified a strong resistance level, which is at this point. This point is currently at 1.6359, right? 1.63 price now, and the price, like I mentioned in the blog that I wrote today, okay, sorry, in the post, in the short post that I made today, that let me just this. Right. So if you go and read through this, you definitely will understand what's go to the home page of the website, scroll down, get to this. Right through this very to be making sure that this is what we do every day. Pick one or two or three financial assets, currency pairs, commodities, indices, whatever it is, and we analyze it, and we look forward to also trading it. All right, we don't just analyze trade. Whatever we analyze here on this desk is also what we will also look at trading. Okay, so just like we analyzed here, the same is what we have on the screen, that we will also want to look for an opportunity to trade also. Now the price has constantly been rejecting, has just maybe for once try to get nearer to this level, but here has been rejected once, and we are in this regard still suggesting that the bearish pressure is still on. All right, so now what we need to do is to keep an eye on the support level, all right, which is here. Let me quickly mark it out. All right, so which is at 2.22. This is the support level, 1.6255. okay, now this is a crucial point that you need to watch, because if the price eventually breaks beneath this, okay, if price eventually breaks through this support, we might, I'm not saying we will, we might see an extended downtrend. There could be a continuation in this downtrend. All right, so that is another thing you also need to look at. So 1.6255 is a very crucial place to hang around, or for us to look at and to see. But another thing I always say is, in trading, two things are always involved. Price could break above here, but for now, why we choose to be looking at a possibility for a continuation for a sell, or for a fall in Euro AUD, is because of so many factors. We look at the market volume, we look at the market momentum, we look at the bias, and we look at the index, and so many other things that is worth looking at. So I must encourage you that you must not forget to manage your risk. Okay? You must try as much as possible that place your stop, try as much as possible to place your stop, not just has to be in a resistance level, okay? And make sure that your market is well protected, all right? So like I said, don't forget to manage your risk. Place your stop loss just right above the resistance level for you to be able to manage your case in case the market moves against you. All right, so I said something earlier on. I said there are so many factors that could make the market to be very, very quiet, maybe relatively quiet, but if you also look to excuse me, I need to be step. So bring it up so that you can see. So I'm just gonna go to Forex factory, okay, and say calendar, okay. So you will see so many reasons why the market is actually slow today. One of the reasons is the US and the Canadian bank holidays for today, for today, and also the low impact news that has been scheduled for today. Everything is low impact, all right? So it may not you definitely may not get all the volatility that you want in the market today, and you have to be prepared for, which is on the other hand, for potentially choppy price action, all right? And as a trader, I would also encourage you to stay alert for any unexpected development, all right? So that is another area where you also need to look at as a financial trader, right? Then that's right, that's digest, you see this here, it's a trading strategy. Okay, I'm just going to change this to, let me close every other thing that I've okay. Now he said okay, just a moment. All right, the trading strategy that we will be looking at from this desk today, because I'd say that I and the rest of the team are we are discretionary trend trader, all right? Discretionary trend trader, that's what we are. That's what I teach people. Understand the trend is your friend. Anybody that tells you that anything other than that, the person is just trying to eat your money, okay? The trend is your friend. Be discreet about market direction, know so many other things. And anyway, for today, trading strategy says sell opportunity, all right? The trading strategy is we will be looking for a sell opportunity, okay? We will be looking for a sell opportunity anywhere around the area that we have analyzed, and also our take profit should be at that bottom, which is that support level. It could become a major support level, all right, if price does not break beneath or below it. All right, so just this too is what I want to talk about. And also please use proper risk management. I think I've talked about it earlier on, and that also explains a lot. So We've done a little well for ourselves today. This is Monday. This is our analysis for today, and that is it for today's analysis. So if you found this video very helpful, I want to encourage you to give this video a thumbs up, all right, and share it with your trading community. Share it with your friends, share it with your colleagues. You might not even be a trader, you might be an intending FX trader, but make sure that you try as much as possible to share this video to those that knows that trades or are also intending to trade. The FX market is real, and there's a lot that you can learn from fxtraderkg.trade. And make sure you subscribe to our package, and let us help you become the very best that you really need to become. This is one of the things, after you read through our posts, could be the normal blog that we post, it could be from the daily trade digest. You can just use any of this link here to share, and you need to write some comments. Please write a comment about what your remarks are. Good and bad remarks, please, all are welcome. But yes, let us know where we are not doing well, especially, and if you're doing well, let us also know that we are serving you. And please, you need to join us for anything. These are the two services we render here at fxtraderkg.trade. You could join our live lessons, which is live trading sessions, and majorly, most importantly, you could also learn directly from us. Let us teach you, let us show you what we also have learned for the past for nearly 20 years that we've been trading FX. Okay, so that is what sets us apart. This is what sets us apart. Anyway, I want to say thank you very much, and I really am very grateful for this. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks and bye.